Hello kids, today we are going to learn about action words. Action words tell us what someone is doing. Let's explore some fun action words together. Smiling. Smiling means to show happiness with your mouth turned up. Eating. Eating means putting food in your mouth and chewing. Skating. Skating means gliding on wheels or ice with special shoes. Painting. Painting means making a picture using colors and a brush. Jumping. Jumping means pushing yourself off the ground with your feet. Reading. Reading means looking at words and understanding them. Writing. Writing means putting words on paper with a pen or pencil. Playing. Playing means having fun with toys or games. Drinking. Drinking means taking in liquid through your mouth. Dancing. Dancing means moving your body to music. Kicking. Kicking means hitting something with your foot. Walking. Walking means moving with your legs one step at a time. Catching. Catching means grabbing something that is moving towards you. Cycling. Cycling means riding a bike. Sleeping. Sleeping means resting your body and mind with your eyes closed. Jogging. Jogging means running at a slow, steady pace. Running. Running means moving very fast with your legs. Standing. Standing means being on your feet without sitting. Sitting. Sitting means resting on your bottom with your legs bent. Swimming. Swimming means moving through water using your arms and legs. Drawing. Drawing means making pictures with a pencil or crayon. Bouncing. Bouncing means making something like a ball jump up and down. Throwing. Throwing means sending something through the air with your hand. Climbing. Climbing means going up something like a ladder or mountain. Laughing. Laughing means showing happiness with a sound. Listening. Listening means using your ears to hear sounds. Talking. Talking means using your voice to say words. Cooking. Cooking means making food ready to eat. Hugging. Hugging means holding someone close with your arms. Waving. Waving means moving your hand back and forth to say hello or goodbye. Pushing. Pushing means using force to move something away from you. Pulling. Pulling means using force to bring something closer to you. Crying. Crying means tears coming from your eyes because you are sad or hurt. Shouting. Shouting means using a loud voice. Sweeping. Sweeping means using a broom to clean the floor. Washing. Washing means cleaning something with water and soap. Gardening. Gardening means taking care of plants and flowers. Brushing. Brushing means using a brush to clean or tidy something like your teeth or hair. Riding. Riding means sitting on and controlling something like a bike or horse. Skipping. Skipping means jumping over a rope that is swung over your head and under your feet. Sliding. Sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Shopping. Shopping means going to stores to buy things. Singing. Singing means making music with your voice. Fishing. Fishing means catching fish with a rod and bait. Mopping. Mopping means cleaning the floor with a wet mop. Yawning. Yawning means opening your mouth wide because you are tired. Bowing. Bowing means bending your body to show respect. Meditating. Meditating means sitting quietly to relax your mind. Baking. Baking means cooking food in an oven. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more fun videos. Bye bye.